Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple fried rice. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready and prepped. Day-old rice is key for the best texture, so plan ahead. Mince your garlic and ginger and chop any vegetables or protein you plan to use. This preparation makes the cooking process much smoother and quicker, ensuring a delicious meal in no time. Next, heat your wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Scramble 2 to 3 eggs until they are just set, then remove them and set aside. Add a fresh tablespoon of oil to the wok, then toss in your minced garlic and ginger, cooking until they become wonderfully fragrant. Now, add your protein like chicken or shrimp and cook it thoroughly until it's nicely browned. Now it's time for the star of the show, the rice. Add your day-old rice to the wok, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring it heats through evenly and gets a slight crisp. Then, incorporate your favorite vegetables, such as peas and carrots, cooking them until they are tender crisp, adding color and nutrients to your dish. Finally, bring everything together for the grand finale. Return the cooked eggs and protein to the wok with the rice and vegetables. Drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Stir everything together thoroughly, making sure all ingredients are well coated and heated through. Serve immediately and enjoy your simple, delicious homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.